Amazing product. There's a lot of competition for an item like this. I chose Vagabond because they have a great video on YouTube demonstrating the install. The instructions are easy to follow and well explained. Here's the video. www.youtube.com. Watch. V=_bfond2n5fsw. These are also made in the USA, and are of very good quality. First off, I am not a handy person. This was far easier to install than any other Fender Eliminator I have used in the past. The main portion is constructed entirely of metal and it reuses some OEM hardware from the standard Fender. Once installed, it is quite clean looking. I would definitely recommend this to someone I know. Want to get rid of that ugly, ridiculously long Fender on your SV650? Buy this. You won't be sorry. It's very well engineered, easy to install in about an hour, uses your stock lighting, it's cheap, and best of all, looks great. This is a well-designed part that makes clever reuse of all the factory lights and wiring. Looks factory. If you like the looks of Firefly turn signals and dumb, nearly horizontal registration tag mounting, go ahead and spend more. If you just want to tidy up the rear of your late model SV650 with a solid well-made kit, buy this. Super easy install, quality product, USA made. The unit is designed to work with stock lights and turn signals without any cutting or splicing. The instructions are easy to follow, although the actual printout is hard to read. Vagabond has a video tutorial for this on YouTube for those who need additional help. Doesn't rattle after install. Looks very high quality. Makes the bike look 100x better. The hardest part of the installation is screwing the unit onto the back by yourself. Not because it's particularly difficult, but because it is better if you have an extra set of hands to help hold screws in place as you put the unit on the back. I used tape to hold things in place, making the process a little easier. 35 to 40 minute install. I have two bikes, and both of them have Vagabond Fender Eliminators. They're high quality, fit perfectly, easy to install, look way better than the ugly stock Fender, and are reasonably priced. You can't go wrong with one of these on your bike. I knew even before I got my 2017 SV650 that a Fender Eliminator was going to be one of the first installs. I saw other options. Some cheaper, some costing more, but after I watched the video for the Vagabond I knew it was the one. The install was pretty easy. It came out great. I really like how it comes with everything you need, and if you use your stock turn signals there is no splicing required. Very clean overall look, and really improves the look. Great job Vagabond. Added some pics for anyone interested. Thanks for reading. I was on the fence about a tidy kit. Reasons being the price of some, the style, the need to splice wires, and the fact I wasn't all that unhappy with the way the SV650 looks with the stock Fender. But I came across this, decent price, looks good, uses original wiring and lights, and I figured why no. I had watched the instructional video before ordering just to see what all went into it, and I put it on the next morning after it arrived. And knowing a little beforehand going into it, maybe it took 20 to 25 minutes start to finish. Click link in description for more reviews.